Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to pay with cash on Uber Eats. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to pay with cash on Uber Eats, you need to first of all ensure it's an available payment method in your area and select it as a payment option before placing your order, as this is only available in certain region. So for this, you need to simply go to Uber Eats and simply select an order that you want to place. And once you have selected the item, tap on Add to Basket. After doing this, you need to simply tap it on and go forward to checkout. So simply tap on the option called Go to Checkout once your order is confirmed. And once you're here, you can simply place an order, but before that, hit on the payments option. And once you are in the payment option, you can simply find the option called cash. So as you want to pay with cash on Uber Eats, you need to simply select this option. And now you will be able to simply pay with cash when your order arrives at your doorsteps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.